Are you tired of being scammed out of your money? With Eazybot, that's simply not possible. Here your money is safe and secure in your own account at all times, and the best part is it's free to get started. So do so in the link down below, fill in an application, I'll get right back to you. Hey everyone, and welcome to this here comparison between Eazybot and Royal Q when it comes to a market crash. So I'm going to give you very concrete examples. So before, when I was promoting Royal Q, but then we had an enormous market crash, and what happened was that I had something they call floating loss, so that the coins that I was trading with, they lost a lot of value, 50-60%. So I went down, the value of my portfolio went down $6,000, but you know, that's simply not possible with Eazybot to have a sustained floating loss for a very long time. So in Royal Q, my funds, the bot is not trading, it does not have advantage of a market crash, right? So let me give you an example about what I mean. So here we have Luna, and so basically Eazybot has all the benefits that Royal Q has, but none of its downsides. So for instance, Eazybot has a transparent leadership, they have a market crash correction, and they also have a compensation plan that is designed for people wanting to build a business, where it doesn't block you like it does in Royal Q. But check this out. Here we have a session. So I have allocated $600 to trade with on Luna, and of those 600, I still have 224 that I am still eligible to use. So this here session has been enormous. You can see the buying and selling happening here, and there is a very genius part to this, right? You see the buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling. What makes Eazybot so unique and makes it possible to profit even when the market dips down a lot is because of its strategy, right? So the initial buying point here was 117, but currently my average price is 107. So what's happening now is that with each new sale that happens, half of the profit goes to me directly, and the other half goes towards dollar cost averaging the position automatically. So check this out. The new price here is like $83. It went from $117 to $83. There's a major loss, right? But I won't be held in floating loss for long, because check this strategy out. So if I go to the Luna and I look at the strategy here, they have two genius features, actually 3 genius features that Royal Q doesn't have. So Eazybot here has auto compounding. So the more profit that I make with Luna here trading, the more will be allocated to this here balance, and when it does, my initial order will increase automatically. So it has an auto compounding effect, and this takes place after each trade, right? So another cool feature is the profit retracement, and this allows us to get rid of floating loss relatively quickly. Because what happens is that half of the position will go towards profit for you in your pocket, and then the other half will go towards dollar cost averaging your position. So on top of that, you also have the pullback of 0.5%. So when I was trading with Royal Q, it looks the same here. So the more the market went down, the more the bot bought in, right? But it didn't have the pullback factor. And this is a very big difference, right? Because if the market just keeps dropping and I'm just buying in, I'm running out of funds here, but the market goes down all the way here, and then now I'm stuck, right? Even if the market fluctuates at these here levels, I won't be able to trade with it. I won't be able to utilize it. So I'll just be stuck for weeks and months at a time. But with a pullback, what happens is that when the market goes down really deep, it waits for the market to pull back 0.5%. It's basically looking for the support level. So the bot wants to know, okay, when the market goes down, it wants to wait until market swings back up again, so it can see where the new sideways movement or upward movement is going to happen, so it can begin to trade at the new level. And at the new level, half of the profit will go towards your money in your pocket, and the other half, lowering your floating loss. And when that happens, your full amount, the whole trading capital, will then be cleared, right? So your full capital will then be cleared. You see here when the average price goes down, because it's still trading at these here levels. When this goes down, we will get the whole position is cleared, and we will earn a percentage on the whole position, and we'll see how much profit was generated from that session. So you see, sessions like this one down here can be shorter, right? It's just buying in, and then sell both position with a profit, boom, right? And but here it's been a very big session, and that means there's a lot of profit that is to be made. So we do not mind the big market dips. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. But in Royal Q, you have the problem that you're gonna sit still and not see anything happening at all, right? Another really important feature that Eazybot has is that you can get started for absolutely free. So in Royal Q, you have to buy in with $120. But check this out. In Eazybot, it is actually possible for you to trade with as low as $100. And I made a particular video sharing you exactly how to do that. So in Royal Q, you have to pay the $120 up front, and then you need a capital to trade with. In Royal Q, you can get started for free and then put in $100 inside your own Binance account and start trading. So guys, this is a no-brainer. You can get started for free. You can use the bot for free. You can trade with as low as $100. And you do not have to worry about the big market drops. The more the market drops down, the more profit is going to be generated, and you will not be sitting on a floating loss like I did for weeks and months at a time where nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. So these are real trades happening in real time, and Eazybot is here for the long term, right? They have transparent leadership. They have an amazing strategy, and I have an in-depth video exactly what it looks like on my channel here as well. And the compensation plan is just next level, right? You do not have blockages. You can unlock the whole compensation plan with 10 people, paid people, and you will earn the same amount if you're a VIP, or if you're a free account, you can also build a team and start earning from that. So that's really amazing. So thank you guys, and if you want something that can withstand a market crash, then absolutely Eazybot is for you. Click the link down in the description. You can get started with as little as $100. So let's do this. If you're doing Royal Q, just create an account with Eazybot, try it out, see for yourself, and I will be very happy to help you. So thank you very much. My name is Marcus, and have an awesome day.